and you go meet one of the older guys who've been doing this, who've actually killed people with a stick or with a weapon, they want to see your armor. Okay? This is the way how you manipulate a weapon, and you can tell how skillful they are when they manipulate weapons. So first up, we're going to have Carlo Delarosa. Carlo just tested for his beginning level blue belt with me last summer. And he's been gone for a while working, promoting the Filipino culture in other ways. Okay. Next we have is Clarence Tagaro.
Yay!
Clarence has been with me ever since we started at Mount Sac. He's been helping me out in a whole bunch of different ways. Clarence has actually been in the Philippines in 1982 to train with some of the world masters.